I will talk about how can you face this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airbnb app. Just click on it here. So then you click here on search, add here Airbnb app. So you click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.